Play with Rayan!
Hello, little learners. Let's learn the ABCs together. A is for apple. A. Apple. B is for baby. A. B. Baby. C is for cat. C. Cat. D is for dog. D. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. F. G is for giraffe. G. Giraffe. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. J. K is for kite. K. Kite. L is for lion. L. Lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. O. Orange. P is for penguin. P. Q is for queen. Q. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for train. T. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. V. Van. W is for whale. Whale. X is for xylophone. X. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z. Zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job! You learned your ABCs. Bye-bye.